Hey everyone, and welcome back to Life Unveiled. Today, we're starting a brand new journey together, one that could unlock a world of possibilities, the exciting world of making money online. Let's face it, the traditional 9 to 5 isn't for everyone. Maybe you crave the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you dream of turning your passion into a profitable venture. The good news is, the online landscape offers a treasure trove of opportunities to make that dream a reality. In this video series, we'll be your guide, unveiling the secrets to building a thriving online business and achieving financial freedom. We'll explore a variety of proven methods, from freelancing and blogging to creating online courses and even leveraging social media marketing. But it's not just about the money, although let's be honest, that's pretty cool too. It's about building something you're passionate about, something that allows you to be your own boss and design a lifestyle you love. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this series is for you. We'll break down everything you need to know in a clear and actionable way. Are you ready to ditch the cubicle and unlock your online earning potential? Let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to Life Unveiled for more valuable insights and strategies to fuel your online business journey. Hit that like button to show us some love, and share this video with anyone who might be interested in exploring the exciting world of online business. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into the various online business models you can leverage to turn your skills and passions into profit. We'll explore everything from tried and true models like freelancing and e-commerce to some of the hottest trends in the digital space. So, stay tuned for Explore Profitable Online Business Models.